Hello, Jason Dasher with Capital Solutions and BadCreditTruckLeasing.com. Today I'm going to go over in this video some different sources of financing if you have less than perfect credit. We are not the only game in town, nor are we always the best fit for somebody who is having trouble getting financing, so I'm just going to go over a few of those real quick. Again, this is for people with less than perfect credit. A source that over the past year or so has become surprisingly efficient at catering to people with credit issues in the trucking industry or credit unions. I'm having customers come back to me and say that despite their 550 credit score, their credit union approved them for a truck. So if you're not a member of a credit union, some of them still may work with you. If not, join one, and they are aggressive on doing commercial trucks, good credit or not. Buy here, pay here lots, that's where the dealer's carrying their own paper. You make payments to the dealer every week or month or something like that. It's not the most attractive option. You're stuck buying their trucks, of course, but they'll work. Some of these dealers will work with anybody as long as you can, plop down $1,000 or whatever their down payment requirement is, and you can make their payments. Great. The downside is you're limited to their inventory, and they're going to be expensive. But if you have bad credit, you already know it's going to be expensive, right? Okay. Number 3, private party sales. If you know what you're doing and you're covering your rear end, this is a decent way to go. Buying trucks for sale by private owners, but there's issues. We have another video that covers some of the issues because this can get pretty hairy. But if you cover your butt on this, then you'll be okay. For example, how is the truck going to be titled? Is it going to still remain in the seller's name? What's your guarantee that they're going to sign that title over once you make your payments? Is there an underlying loan on the truck? If there is, how do you know they're making the underlying payments to that lender? I have heard many stories where a guy goes out to get his truck one morning and the truck's gone because it got repoed. Not because he wasn't making his payments, but because the seller wasn't. So there are issues to be aware of. If you cover those, then you can go online and shop for trucks to your heart's content. Most of these guys aren't going to look at your credit. Truck rental, probably, in my opinion, the least attractive of all these options, unless, of course, you've got a temporary contract or a short-lived thing and you just need to rent a truck for a month or something. But most of you guys aren't doing that. You need a truck. It's expensive, and it's not meant for long-term truck acquisition, and it's certainly not intended for ownership. So, I had to throw that in there because some of you guys are doing that. Alternative financing companies, that's what we are. If you get declined by a dealer, a captive finance company, or your bank, you call companies outside of that. We're one of those. We require additional collateral. We can get around your credit problems. That's it. Quick rundown. And if you want more information, check us out, BadCreditTruckLeasing.com. Our email is down in the description there, so go down there and check it out. And that's it. Good luck.